how should we be using AI generated imagery or design in our ads, or digital ads specifically?
It's something that's going to change constantly. Right now, as we're really deep in the exploration phase of it, it's best to approach the AI tools, whatever platform you use, as a tool that really is part of the creative process and doesn't replace it. Being a visual thinker, it's been very helpful during the ideation phase rather than sort of like trudging through stock looking for an exact image that just really doesn't exist. You can really curate the inputs and utilize like brand reference images and just get something much closer, much faster to what you're hoping to get. So it's been really helpful with that, and even just in Photoshop and truly like any platform that we use, Figma, any of the Google Suite has like built-in AI features that you really can't avoid it.
So essentially, what we're saying here is that AI can be really helpful to designers as a production assistant of sorts more than anything. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, at the very least, its strength is in its efficiencies for optimizing workflow. There's definitely a lot of we're exploring with how it can be used in like the ideation phase, whether that's like mood boards, storyboarding, how we can implement brands, especially like reference photos. Say you're working on like a set for like product placement or something, and you want to do like an A/B test or something. You want to have two different sets that are similar. You're probably gonna have a hard time sourcing a stock that fits that, but you're more likely to be able to use something that's more believable in an AI generated background versus like sourcing stock. Whereas the trouble with some of the AI generated images that are maybe a bit more fake or unbelievable or with the use of people. So that's something you should probably still avoid. You don't want to create any trust issues with your audience, especially as you're trying to best represent a brand.
That leads me to, I guess, the inverse, which is how should we not be using AI generated imagery in our digital ads right now?
I think we shouldn't be giving the reins to our emotional connection we have with our audience and like full creative control, because that's where AI really struggles with. I don't think even just tossing a few inputs and then slap like some text on it and call that a finished ad. There needs to be like way more in the curation process. Make sure that you're like honoring the brand as you're using AI to supplement rather than like replace.
Yeah, that makes sense. So stick to production for now. Well, thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, Anna.